The story of our business starts with a 2005 Toyota Passo. Hey, I'm Rihanna, the co-founder of Roam. We make adventure-ready nut butters and protein powders. In 2017, I packed up my little Toyota with my most prized possessions, my running shoes, trekking poles, tent, and down jacket, with the goal of running New Zealand's most beautiful trails. Thing was, I was relying heavily on sweet gels, bars, and drinks during these long adventures. But the thing I'd look forward to most was getting back to the car and having a big spoonful of nut butter from the jar. So I had a spark of an idea which I tucked away in the back of my mind. After I drove all the way back home, I bought a nut butter mill, and with my partner and co-founder Andrius, we started testing different nut butter recipes. We tested different nut butters at farmers markets until we landed on the perfect mix of almonds and cashews to create Roam Energy Nut Butter. We started Roam on a shoestring budget. I used savings from my first professional job, and Andrius was studying full-time for his PhD. The great thing about owning a food business is that you can create products that fulfill your own needs. As endurance athletes, we realized that we were way undershooting our daily protein needs, so we decided to launch a plant-based protein range. We're passionate about being active, enjoying the outdoors, and of course, eating well. We created Roam to bring joy to your everyday adventures, and we love seeing where in the world customers choose to bring Roam. So if you're into the same thing, stick around because I think we'll be great friends.